Okay, so good evening, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. We are doing lesson number 1.4. As you can see on the screen, we are doing lesson number 1.4. I request people to stop raising hands for no reason. That doesn't make sense. Chembur Meraj, why is your video on? I'll put you out if I see that again. Archita from Ghatkopar, your video is on. All right. Harshil from Ghatkopar, your video is on. I request the staff from Ghatkopar to just have a look. All right. So what is this lesson about? This lesson's title is very simple. It says, have you thought of the verb? Extremely sorry. Have you thought of the verb have? All right. So guys, we all know that there is a verb called have. एक verb होता है जिसको हम have बोलते हैं और ये हम सब जानते हैं. Okay. And there are a lot of functions where have is used. हम have को बहुत सारे अलग अलग तरीके से यूज कर सकते हैं. And that is the lesson about. Okay. Archita from Ghatkopar, your video is on again. I can see some leaves and plants and trees out of your window. I'm extremely sorry, Archita. If this happens again, I will put you out of the meeting. Okay, so guys, let us start. We'll go to the first line. How many times do you use the verb have in your conversation or writing? Try to keep a count of it for an hour or so. What do you find? So now see guys, this is actually an activity that you can do once we end the lesson today, because this is going to be a fun activity. So what does the author want us to do is he or she wants us to just count the number of times we use have in our conversation. Okay, हम हमारे पूरे दिन के कॉन्वर्सेशन में इंग्लिश में या जब हम कुछ लिखते हैं इंग्लिश में हम कितनी बार हैव यूज करते हैं और हर बार और कितनी बार उस हैव का अलग मीनिंग होता है. दैट इज व्हाट द नरेटर wants us to do. He says, perhaps you have always thought of this versatile verb as an auxiliary verb or a helping verb, as we call it. So he says, just a second. All right. So he says that we have always thought that this verb it's a versatile verb, versatile as in multi-functioning verb. Multitasking is multi-functioning verb. Anuj Ahire from Ghatkopar, please stop raising hand for no reason. Harshit Patel, stop raising hand for no reason. Lakshya Rathod from Vikroli, your video is on. Am I audible to everyone? Just write a yes. Am I audible? Yes, I'm getting a lot of yeses. So anybody who is finding it difficult to hear me, there is a problem with your internet connection. Kindly check it and please stop messaging because that is distracting me from doing what I'm doing. Thank you so much. So he says that we have always thought about the verb have as an auxiliary verb, यानी कि helping verb. If you remember, we had done modal auxiliaries recently, wherein we had discussed about primary auxiliaries and modal auxiliaries, and have was a part of primary auxiliaries. If you had written what I had asked you to write, so we have always thought about have as an auxiliary verb or a helping verb, but the helping verb have is used to form what we call a perfect tense. So guys, हमने tenses भी किया है. I think just let me know, have we done tenses? क्या हमने tenses किया है? Write a yes if you've done tenses. Yes, we have done tenses. So आपको पता रहेगा guys that tenses में भी हमने perfect tense में देखा था कि have और has बहुत use होता है. So यही जो helping verb है have और has, ये perfect tenses में भी use होता है. For example, इधर दिया bracket में they have come. Now when I say they have come, this is present perfect tense. I had clean forgotten all about it. So once again, had is a form of have. Had का form have होता है. Okay, so हम वो सब perfect tense में use करते हैं. Alright, I want you people to tell me what are the forms of have verb. Have जो verb है उससे कौन से forms हैं? Put it in the chat quickly. Yes, have, has, had, एक और है. Have, has, had एक और है. Shriram from Saidam, your video is on. I'm still not giving that one answer that you people should give me. Has, have, had. एक और verb है. Let me see who can give me the right answer. I don't see a single answer which is correct yet. Haven't is the negative form, Baba. That is not the right answer. Have, has, had, and there is another form of have. Oh, yes, I've got one right answer. Finally. And that one right answer is from Luke. Luke Rodriguez, right? Luke, good job, buddy. From Takshila, Luke from Takshila. He's given the right answer. He said it's having. So guys, I want all of you to note this down in your textbook or the book that you have right now. The four forms of verb are has, have, had and having. Okay? तो ये सारे के सारे forms हैं जो हम use करते हैं. We also use have to make negative sentences. For example, they haven't come. I hadn't forgotten it. तो हम उसको negative में भी use कर सकते हैं. But as a main verb, it is used to mean much more than you think. But ये खाली एक auxiliary verb नहीं है. Have can be used as a main verb also. If you remember the modal auxiliary part that we had done, I told you that the primary auxiliaries can act as a helping verb. They can also act as a main verb and they change as per the subject. And a modal auxiliary cannot act as a main verb. It can only act as a supporting verb and cannot change with the subject. So if you remember, मैंने आपको example दिए थे. I had given you an example if you remember. I had told you that the primary auxiliary are all the A-listed actors in Bollywood and the modal auxiliary are all the supporting actors in Bollywood. Right? So whenever we see that there is a verb called have, तो वो खाली एक supporting verb का काम नहीं करता, वो main verb का काम भी करता है. और जब वो main verb का काम करता है, तो वो बहुत अलग-अलग चीजें हमको दिखाता है, donate करता है, denote करता है, right? So now we will see what are the things that what are the things that the main verb have denotes. Okay, so here we go. If you see the first box, in the following sentences, have indicates possession or ownership of something. ये जो हमारे पास यहाँ पर जो सेंटेंस है, ये बताने वाले हैं कि कैसे हम have को यूज कर सकते हैं possession के लिए और ownership of something के लिए, कि किस तरह से हम ये देख सकते हैं कि वो कैसे. Shriram from Saidam, another time if your video is on, I'll put you out. Simple as that. So indicates possession मतलब कि हमारे पास क्या है, हम क्या own करते हैं. So let us see some examples. So when I say my friend has a pet cat, so here has is used to show that my friend owns a pet cat. Okay, मेरे friend जो है उसके पास pet cat है, वो उसका owner है. When I say I have a new pen, this new pen is mine, so I am the owner of this new pen. That's possession. Ashwin Gada from Vikroli, your video is on. Rajdeep from JB Nagar. I don't understand. Why do you guys have to go to the video and the mic column and keep putting a video on? I don't understand that thing. So guys, this is the last warning. I see anybody's video on, you will be out straight away. No second chances. Sentence number 4, sentence number 3. Do you have a cycle? Do you own a cycle? Our school has 6 computers. So our school is the owner of 6 computers, right? Our school possesses 6 computers. And the next one, the municipality has 6 vans and 2 cars. So municipality है जो हमारी उसका ownership में 2 cars or 6 vans आती हैं. So if you see that the main verb have, and if you remember I told you what is the main verb. The main verb is the only verb in the sentence. जब भी आप एक have को sentence में अकेले use करते हैं, वो verb main verb हो जाता है. तो जब एक verb अकेला रहता है have sentence में, okay? Yeah. So whenever there is just one verb in a sentence, that one verb is a main verb. And in this case, अगर आप देखो तो ये जितने भी sentences हैं, इसमें have जो है वो अकेला use किया गया है. And because have is used alone in the sentence, this becomes your main verb. And this is why we see that one function of have as a main verb is to show or indicate possession of or ownership of something. We go to the box on the right hand side on the top. In some cases, have is used to indicate relationship. हमारा सामने वाले इंसान के साथ क्या रिलेशनशिप है वो भी इंडिकेट करता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल व्हेन आई से आई हैव 2 sisters, दिस शोज दैट आई हैव the relationship of brother and sister with 2 sisters. When I say the couple do not have children, so यहाँ पर you can say कि जो have है उसको मैंने use किया है to show relationship that they do not have a children. I don't have a brother, so there's once again shows relationship. All right. Put in the chat certain sentences that show where you have can show relationship. Chat में मुझे भेजिए. You can't say I am having trouble. You can't say I am having a trouble. When you say I have a new car, हर्षित पटेल from घाटकोपर, I have a new car, बेटा आपका रिलेशनशिप है क्या उसके साथ में? वो कार आपका क्या लगता है बेटा? आपकी बहन लगती है, भाई लगता है, क्या लगता है हर्षित? सर्वेश शिंदे tells me I have a bicycle. बेटा बाइसिकल क्या लगते हैं अपने? कौन है बाइसिकल बेटा? मम्मी है, पापा है, भाई है, बहन है, कौन है? आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट रिलेशनशिप्स, रिश्ते. रिश्ता समझते हैं ना बेटा हम? All right. Then we go on to the next one. Extremely sorry. All right, let us come below. Let us come below the relationship wala box. We also use have to refer to eating or drinking. Now, many people make this mistake. ये error बहुत लोग करते हैं. They say, I ate my breakfast. I eat breakfast. I eat lunch. You cannot eat lunch. You can eat food. You cannot eat breakfast. You can have breakfast. So कभी भी आपको ऐसा कुछ लिखने का है तो आप have use करेंगे. We have breakfast at 8 a.m. We have a slice of cake. What would you like to have? Tea or coffee? Can I have a glass of water, please? Come on, send me some examples that show or indicate that you've eaten something or drunk something. Yes, correct. Right, right, right. Okay, as of now, I see all the answers. Majority of them are correct. Okay, I think I have had enough examples. So we will now move on. Then we go on to the next one. We also use have to refer to events, activities and experiences. अगर हमको कोई इवेंट, कोई एक्टिविटी, एक्सपीरियंस को रेफर करना है, हम तभी भी हैव यूज करते हैं। जैसे कि आई एम गोइंग टू हैव अ बाथ इन द रिवर। सो ये एक एक्टिविटी या एक्सपीरियंस हो सकता है। लेट अस हैव अ पार्टी फॉर योर बर्थडे, तो ये एक इवेंट हो सकता है। द क्लास हैज अ शॉर्ट ब्रेक एट 11 AM, ये एक इवेंट है। डिड यू हैव अ गुड टाइम एट द वेडिंग, ये एक एक्सपीरियंस है। आई हैव अ मीटिंग दिस इवनिंग, ये इवेंट है। सो नाउ आई वांट यू टू गिव मी सम एग्जांपल्स दैट शो इवेंट, that show activity, or that show experiences. Nice, nice. Good job, people. Rayan from Deer Nagar, I'm putting you out. The video is on. Thank you. क्या बोलते हैं रेयांश? निकालू क्या बाहर बेटा? All right, fine. Thank you so much for so many answers. Now let us go to the last box on the right hand side, bottom. Have is also used to refer to a medical or physical condition. कोई medical या physical condition है तो उसके लिए भी हम use कर सकते हैं. I have a headache. He has a cold. Grandfather had a heart attack. I want you to give me examples that show a medical or a physical condition. Right. I have ability is the wrong example. Acidity is the right example. Okay. All right. क्या बात है, बढ़िया बढ़िया. All right, everyone, let's stop. Let's stop answering now because you've given me enough answers and mostly many of them are correct. So हम आगे बढ़ेंगे. Let us go to the next page. Here it is. All right. In sentences where have is used as a main verb, जहाँ पर have को अकेले use करते हैं, it is always used in simple present tense or simple past. The present continuous form is not used in such cases. We do not say I am having a bicycle. We do not say he is having a cold. We do not say I am having a lot of homework. So guys, I want you to give me the right form of the first sentence. I am having a bicycle का right form क्या होना चाहिए? ये तो गलत फॉर्म है. राइट फॉर्म क्या होना चाहिए? I have a bicycle. Yes, correct. Okay, give me the right form of the second one. He is having a cold. He is having a cold. Yes, the correct answer is he has a cold. Correct? All right. Let's go to the third one. I am having a lot of homework. I have a lot of homework. Yes, that's correct. Similarly, it is not used in the negative form as a main verb. अगर वो नेगेटिव फॉर्म में है तो हम उसको मेन वर्ब की तरह नहीं यूज कर सकते. तो अगर नेगेटिव फॉर्म में है तो वी हैव टू यूज द ऑक्सिलरी डू. तो कैन यू सी ओवर हियर, ही हैजंट अ कार. तो द आंसर इज ही डज नॉट हैव अ कार. ही हैवंट आई हैवंट अ कोल्ड. I don't have a cold. Right? Okay. So now, guys, what I want you people to do is I want you people to solve the first activity right now. Right now, solve the first activity. For example, you are supposed to use the verb have to show possession. तो अभी के अभी अपने बुक में लिखिए 5 sentences. Jay Chavan from Ghatkopara video is on. 5 sentences that show possession. And you can also post the same in the chat so that I can see and tell you whether it is correct or not. तो आप अपने बुक में पहले लिखेंगे, फिर जो भी आपने लिखा है वो चैट में लिखेंगे आप. And once you are done, let me know. Just write done once you're done. Forget writing done. Just raise your hands once you're done. लिख के हो जाएगा तो डन लिख तो हाथ ऊपर कर देना. To show possession के लिए write 5 sentences in your notebook right now. If you're done, just raise your hands. Okay, I see only 2 people raising their hands till now. बाकी लोग का हुआ नहीं क्या लगता है? Come on, some simple. Sampreet beta, you are supposed to do this activity 1 as you can see on your screen. तो आपको 5 sentences देने हैं where you can use have to show possession. हर्षल शाह from देविदयाल, I possess नहीं लिखना बेटा, I have लिखना है. Raise your hands if you're done with the first one. जल्दी से हाथ ऊपर करेंगे तो मैं आगे बढ़ूंगा. Come on, raise your hands. Quickly raise your hands if you're done. All right, enough time, enough time. Now, the ones who are done with A will go for B. Write 5 sentences that indicate relationship. Please ऐसे सब मत लिखना कि यार मेरे पास कार है, मेरे पास बस है, ये सब मत लिखना please. Be a little sensible and write 5 sentences where you can use have to show relationship. अगर आपका हो जाता है तो हाथ ऊपर कीजिए. Krish from Vikroli, your video is on. Good job, Ananya. Krishna Yadav, your video is on again, Vikroli. All right. The people who are done with B will go to C. Use have to refer to eating or drinking. Good job, Sampreet. Deep Jagta from Ghatkopar. Good sentence. Good job, buddy. Sarvesh Frinde from Ghatkopar. You cannot say I am having my breakfast. Gatha, you cannot say I am eating my dinner. I have eaten my dinner. You don't eat dinner, you have it. अभी तो सब इतना सब समझाया बेटा मैंने. You can't say I am eating, I have eaten dinner. Gatha Parekh from Vikroli. Harshal Shah, it's not I have eaten my lunch. You don't eat your lunch, it's just I have my lunch. Gyan De Cruz from Saidam says I have my football coaching at 7 p.m. बेटा football coaching खाना है क्या आपका? Do you drink football coaching or do you eat football coaching? Please understand the instructions. All right, people who are done with C will go to D, to show ownership. To show ownership, Ronwin D'Souza from, sorry, Ronwin what? DeCosta, what is your surname, buddy? Your video is on. Should I put you out? Ronwin from JB Nagar. Possession अलग होता है guys and ownership अलग होता है. Possession कभी भी living things का होता है, ownership कभी भी non-living things का होता है. Okay, someone over here writes, I have, this dog is my new pet. But I really don't you understand? You were supposed to use the verb have. You said this dog is my new pet. Really? Come on, let us apply our common sense. Ownership is of non-living things. Possession is of living things. So when you say I have a pet and everything, that's possession. But when you say I have a laptop, that's non-living thing. Janavish from JB Nagar, your video is on. All right, let's go to the next one. E, to refer to events, activities, and experiences. Good job, Saujanya Shetty from Vikhroli. अच्छा सेंटेंस लिखा है आपने. Aishwarya from Vikhroli. Good job. Good answer. Right, Anushka. All right. The people who are done with E will go to F. Good job, Rajat from Ghatkopar. Good job, Dishita. Good job, Karthik from Vikhroli. Good one, Ishita from DN Nagar. Right. Okay, everyone. All right, everyone. So with that, I think we're done for the day. No homework for you because I've got your activities done today here itself. So no homework for you. If you have any doubt, you can post it right now and I will solve your doubts. I don't think you should have doubts because you practiced right now as well and you people have done a good job. So I don't think you would have any doubt. But if you do, please let me know. I'm getting a lot of no doubts, no doubts, no doubts. That's good to see, which shows that you people have really understood what we've done today. Uh, Versatile means something that can do multiple things. When we say Ranveer Singh is a versatile actor, यानी कि वो बहुत वैरायटी वाले रोल्स करता है. वैसे ही हैव के भी बहुत सारे वैरायटी वाले रोल्स होते हैं. All right. So I don't have any doubts over here. So okay, everybody, we can leave. Thank you so much. Goodbye.